Morning, hello Amy. It's morning, hello Amy. It's Tipips here, and welcome to my channel. So it's Sunday morning, the next week. Yes, I'm filming this today because I've been busy the entire week and procrastination. But today I've decided to actually finish off because I'm really tired of the boxes and my life just got ugh, by work. So I want to leave an environment that is super clean. By leave an environment, I am leaving for work for a few weeks. And I will be coming back on weekends. So I'm gonna go back with these boxes and everything because ngifuna ukubuya ngerest ngibe ile girl. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do today is I'm going to finish off my kitchen organization because all I did was film that haul and show you everything and put everything back in the boxes. But now I'm going to okay, I'm going to organize everything in the kitchen and also my living space as well. I didn't buy any decor and all of the stuff that I had mentioned um that I wanted to do within my spaces because I wanted to do it as time goes on. I was planning on doing it, but now that I'm leaving for work a little bit, I'm just gonna unbox everything, put everything as it is. Even if it's bare with no decor, it's fine. I'll decorate later and everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. But now I have to go wash some of my stuff. So I'm gonna go first wash my laundry outside. Yes, I'll go wash my laundry outside and then come back and clean everything. So yeah, I will see you later. But as for now, this is the space that I'm working with. Boxes, boxes, boxes. Kitchen boxes. Oh, I have a mic now. You know, I have this thing of finding really cheap deals on Take a Lot. I bought a mic so I don't have to scream and I can speak normally. So I'm gonna use this mic later maybe because I still have to figure out how long is it. 3.5 meters. I don't know if this mic is gonna. It probably should. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I won't use the mic because nyanyizwa. Papa yinza ngibona le. So I am going to show you the before of my kitchen area. My cupboard up top and langa pansi and my drawers, just to show you a before and how everything looks like with my groceries. Like I had said in the previous video, I think I remember I had said I am pretty short for these cupboards. That is why I want to organize everything in my canisters. So when I get a stepping stool, I can just fetch everything properly. Because right now, when I try to pull something else falls off, especially up top here at the spices. So I'm very excited about that. I'm not sure how that is going to work with everything. Because I just bought, when I bought the canisters and the jars, I bought them mentally, like thinking what type of groceries that I have. So I might end up not using others. I might end up using them. Excuse my sound. In the background, the neighbor is busy with something. All of a sudden, no one was busy. Now they're busy. But anyway, yeah. So I'm just gonna lift you up in the tripod and show you what everything looks like right now. And yeah. is where I keep my lunch boxes and everything. There's some other spices and whatever. I just put whatever in here. I'm still gonna have to organize that because I want to buy new lunch boxes at Chinatown and new scarfines and stuff. Throw all of this out because some of the stuff is pretty old. It is even broken, but it works for lettuce because it drains the lettuce. But anyway, yeah, some of the stuff is really old, so I want to buy new of lazy kaftini because some of them don't have lids. They just wasting space, so I'm gonna do that. Definitely, I think I should do that. Throw away the stuff I no longer want because it's just causing clutter, honestly. But yeah, let's do that. And so okay, you heard the noise earlier, and it turns out my neighbor was fixing ilonmoya yakhe. Uyagunda umakhi ngoku. So ayikho into engizoyenza. Oh, child. So there's nothing I'm gonna do. I can do right now besides film everything, and play some background music because I am not going to compete Nelon more right now. So right now I'm going to just take everything, all my food and groceries out my cupboard, move away both these appliances, my microwave, which I put in the corner there, but it's not gonna work, so I have to put it on the side of the counter. So I'm gonna move my stove and microwave so I can have this entire counter, put everything in. I'm gonna get a bucket and some water, get a bucket and a mop, put some where. So yeah, this is my abode. It is naked, but more videos are going to follow. I want to put like a vase with flowers there or there. Ugh, I should really moisturize my hands probably. But now it's too late. I'm filming me now. And then I have going to buy those beanbag chair thingies, those comfort slouchy seats. I'm gonna put them here, facing that direction, just to have like a mini passageway to the fridge. So now I am about to show you the best part. Ugh, I'm gonna need a chair. Okay. And then the first drawer here is my cutlery. The second drawer is my sauce drawer, and there's my grater as ooh, really dropped. Yes, okay. The second drawer is my grater, my sauce, and other stuff from restaurant drawer. These are my chopping board. My hands are so ashy. I was mopping the floors. Anyway, the third drawer is my extra drawer. These are my freezer bags. I usually separate my meats in freezer bags and stuff, so that's what they are. My cling wrap, step 40. Yeah, wash rag, and my plastics. And then my last drawer is my everything drawer. As you can see, there's monomies, there's pencil crayons, there's sellotape, there's my chop thingy, there's some wrap poison, there's curtain hooks, there's my pencil case full of batteries, this rope I've been hanging paintings and not paintings, my vision board and mirrors with, screwdrivers, polish, brush, super glue, super bond, shears. Okay, there's glue spilled all over the place. I'm gonna sort that out later. I don't have energy.